Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can delete an indicator in MetaTrader 5 app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and open your MetaTrader 5 app. Then go to chart. And as you can see here, we have the RSI indicator. So let's say I want to delete it. All you have to do is go to this icon right here, click on it. And as you can see here, we have indicator window 1, relative strength index. This is the RSI. So to delete it, go to the trash icon on the top right corner, click on it, and select the RSI. After that, click again on the trash icon. And as you can see, we don't have anything here. So let's go back to see. As you can see, the RSI indicator has been deleted. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.